guess what I found? The piece that was missing for my Nintendo DS Lite. And today, I'm going to glue it back on using this type of glue. First of all, I'm going to put on some safety glasses. So what I'm basically going to do is glue the bottom right here, then put it here. So I'm simply just going to glue this piece back here. Then this will probably be able to fold again. So let's get gluing. I'm going to do this very slowly and carefully. This glue's a bit older, so it's a bit hard. Okay. There we go. Now, guess I'll put some glue on the back and on the sides. Here we go. I guess that's pretty good for now. I hope you can see this. Oh. Hopefully the glue didn't dry out. I think that's good enough for now. If I need more glue, I can always add more later and take this off. So I'm going to weigh this down with a heavy object so it actually sticks. You know what? I'm actually going to press it down. So if it works, I'll show you. And that's it.